Your lineup in the Super Bowl will be as follows. On the pole in the 24, Roy Atchison Jr. Second position in the 95, Adele Shelton. In the C4, William Hughes. In the 5'8", a 5 Alive, Joe Humphrey. And the 51, the Schoolyard Scrapper looks to have a little bit of trouble. He's going to head to the pits. That's going to bring on a yellow. That means they're going to delay the start so we can make the hump. Get it into the pits. And there is no green on that. I repeat, no green. The green flag and the green line, Roy Atchison Jr. in the 24 after a great lead, but Adele Shelton and Jackie Roy looking pretty good in that 95 car, but Joe Humphrey pulls it off. Go ahead with Adele Shelton. From the final line with the 95 going back and forth as they enter turn 3. Final line able to pull ahead of the 95. This is Joe Humphrey in second position. Trying to reel in the leader, Roy Atchison Jr. in that 24 car. And the Schoolyard Scrapper comes back out onto the track. That's right after you make the initial green, which is the one to go. You can come back onto the track. Like there's a little bump developing now, and you see as your cars head through a little bit of motion in the chassis. Not too bad at this point. Scrapper looks to have a flat front tire. That's going to slow him down. Most of it present a little bit of a hazard for the 5A as he's able to make it around. Good job, Joe Humphrey, for avoiding a collision with the 51. Bill Hughes comes into the infield. Roy Atchison Jr. looking good in the 24 car closely on the 511 of Joe Humphrey. Well, I say closely, but a few more lengths in there. The 51 of Hughes heads into the pit. As a nice cool breeze comes off the speedway here at Rocky Hill. Jr. in that yellow 24 looking good in first position. And that's 5 Alive, Joe Humphrey still holding on to second. Followed by the 95 of the Del Check and the C4 of Ryan Neal Hughes. Roy Atchison, who's here in the Super Bowl, would like to thank Clint and Emily Ray, James Lawn Service, and the whole family. Third place, driver of El Chuck would like to thank Green Racing, Emmetsville Livestock, Larry Shelton and Family, Bo Littleton, Sanders Cattle, Big Ranch, and Spanky's Machine Shop. Would like to thank Lyman Truck and Bus Repair in Lindsay, Renegades Racing, TNT Hot Dogs, Elma Green Incorporated, Martin Tire, Joe Avila Trucking, Martinez Trucking, and Spray Ag Service. Atchison Jr. heading into some lap traffic. The white flag is in hand, so there may not be much time for a slowdown due to that lap traffic. Let's see what happens here coming out of turn 4. White flag comes down to either Roy Atchison Jr. looking good. The 5 alive Joe Humphrey still in second place. Not much time. 24,